Hi friends, welcome to today's video. I have lemonade recipe. Let's get started. First, I wash the blender with lemon to take away the odor and wash it with lots of water. And then I have 2 lemons. I'm going to cut it, nicely wash lemons, cut it, take out the seeds and cut it into little pieces and take the white part. It tends to be bitter. So I take it out and crush it, blend it with lots of water. I take out the seed so that the seed also tends to be bitter. So I cut it up nicely, and then I'm going to blend with a little salt, which is optional, and then I'm going to strain it and add it back to the blender. Add my condensed milk and ice if you like, or serve it on ice. And so here I'm pouring it back to the blender, and then I'm going to add my condensed milk at this point, as more or less as you like it. And at this point you can add the ice if you like, or serve it on ice, whichever way, and enjoy. Thank you. God bless you for your support and everything. Bye bye.